Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and welcome all of you back to our channel. So in this video we'll move forward to the next episode of Revit. So if you haven't watched our previous videos, please have a look at that, and in the description I'll give the links of all the previous episodes. So if you are new to our channel, and you can subscribe to our channel because we upload regular content on software and concepts related to civil engineering. So now what we'll do today is we'll just add the kitchen slab counter, or kitchen slab, and we'll also just make a particular, as you can see here, we'll just in the realistic view you can see we don't have a floor here, so we'll add a floor in this particular plan. So in this plan we'll add the floor. As you can see, if we just press shift and then mouse middle wheel button, you can see it is hollow from the bottom, so we'll add a floor here. So first of all we'll just make it back to shaded because or back to hidden line because it will take less amount of space in the memory of the computer. So after that we'll just go to the level in which we are preparing. Let's say we'll go to the level 2 here, and we'll have this, as you can see, we'll have this level 2 furniture layout, and we'll have this. So this is the counter here. So let's go to this particular floor and floor architectural. We'll just use this lines to make the floor here. Start from here, and you can edit this type also. So kitchen counter slab, you can just edit this type, and kitchen counter slab you want thickness of, let's say 3 inches or 3.5 or 4 inches. It is 3 inches will take. So we'll just make this as 0 feet 3 inches, and then we'll just change the seal level and the remaining ones later. So just click on apply, and then so like this, this is done, and you can just check in the 3D view. So this is done like this, and but we haven't pressed the tick mark yet, so it will not be, just need to press this tick mark. So as you can see, this error is coming, lines must be in closed loop, so you should close the entire loop. So we'll just continue with this, and we'll just close the loop. So like this, we'll take this again, the loop is closed. Now as you can see, it is done. So what we'll do, we'll just go to the 3D view, and as you can check, it is at the bottom. So just check this level. As you can see, this is the level elevation from level 2. So this is the particular sink here. So if you want to know this particular height of the sink, you can just go here. As you can see, counter height is 3 feet. So here also just click on here, and height from offset, we'll just take this as, let's do as 3 feet, and apply. So now you can see the counter has been put in the right position. So like this you can make a kitchen counter here. So let's once the kitchen counter is done, so let's focus on the remaining floor here. So we'll go back to the level in which we're making the plan here, and we'll go to our particular option of your architecture, then your floor, and after taking the floor, this time we have a rectangular one. So let's take the rectangle using this, and we'll just click on this and click on done. So after we click on done here, we'll just select this floors, and you can also work in the 3D view and just select this floor. As you can see, this floor has been done. So now what we can do is we can just go to edit type and change the particular floor here. So let's do this floor as our 2 feet, because the height of the plinth level is 2 feet here. So it will cover the entire plinth level 0, and here 2 feet, and just click on OK, apply, and OK. So you can check in the 3D in the elevations as well. The bottom you put elevations, south elevation, as you can see here our plinth height was 2 feet, so that's why we had done this. So going back to the 3D view, and you can see it that the particular floor has been done. So if you want, you can just turn it back to realistic and just change or shade it, just check it out. So as you can see, the flooring has been applied. So now as you can see, once the flooring has been applied, the furniture components look better, but you need to observe that this particular height has also changed. So just go to edit type and duplicate this, and just call this as a generic 3 inch, and just click on OK, and then just go to edit, and then now you can change this 0 and 3, because we had used the same one for both the kitchen counter and that's why this problem has arisen. Now as you can see, it's better. So as you can see, now the plan looks good. So that's all in today's video. In the upcoming videos, we'll make the remaining floors, and we'll also work further on this project. So stay tuned to our channel and also check out our other videos of this channel. Bye bye, keep learning.